Make your Mustang steering wheel look the part with a motorsports-inspired Drake Muscle Cars steering wheel. Improve the driving comfort and aesthetics of your Mustang's interior with a quick swap of the factory steering wheel. Drake Muscle Cars motorsport-inspired designs feature deep palm and thumb recesses for confidence-inspiring driving and comfortable grip for those longer drives. The flat bottom provides extra leg clearance for aggressive cornering and makes getting in and out of your Mustang that much easier. Drake Muscle Cars Alcantara and carbon fiber steering wheel designs are available for 2015 through 2022 Mustangs. They come in heated and non-heated versions, so you're not giving up any comfort. The cross-stitch silver threading gives the leather or Alcantara section of the wheels an elegant touch. And the centerline stripe makes it easier to find center during performance driving. And when you purchase one of Drake Muscle Cars steering wheels, there's no downtime. We'll ship you a brand new wheel. All you do is swap over the factory airbag and controls. Not only does our Drake Muscle Cars steering wheel look right at home, its race-inspired look and feel adds that final touch that we can experience every time we ride our Mustang. At Drake Muscle Cars, we've made personalizing your Mustang easier than ever. Check out all our performance parts from Drake Muscle Cars at Holley.com.